welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make an ice cream truck. So, yes, you're going to want to have to put four slabs floating half a block above the ground, brown terracotta. I won't show. Oh, this was the word from last time, where I showed you how to build doors. So you put a button on the wheel. Same on this side. Then, after each wheel, you put a slab half a block above the ground. And then here, you're going to want to put two upside down stairs. And then orange, that's not right. Wait a second, I'll fix it. Okay, you're not going to want to put an upside down stair at this part here. So, once you've done that, above this stair, you're going to want to put a block here, and then a block here. And then after that, you put a stair here. I think at the end I'll put down all the blocks so you can know where all they go. So you're gonna have to want to put like that. Yes. Then you're gonna wanna put the same thing as below here. Then put the two blocks here, and put it one down, and then I need to get a block. Just wait a second. I wish there was pick block in this, but no, there isn't. So once you've got your slabs, you're gonna wanna have to put one here, just like that. Then you're gonna wanna have the truck go along 3 blocks, and then all the way down to the other end, same thing. Oops. Then you're gonna wanna put it all the way down here, and put the wheels in the same place. Let's just get them back again. And then the sheep wants some ice cream already. Not ready yet, sheep hasn't been built. So now you're going to fill in the ground or the floor of this. Why are they on the inside? I don't know. They're meant to go on the outside, but whatever. So once you've done that, you're going to want to do the exact same thing. Yeah, the exact same thing, and I'll meet you once I've done that. Okay, so I've done a little bit. What I forgot to tell you, you have to fill in this part of the truck. So, it should be looking like that. I know it looks a bit weird, but yeah. So, once you've done all that, you're going to want to put a quartz block here and here. And, wait a second. I'll fix it. Okay, so I fixed it. You're going to want to put it inside the truck a bit like this. So now you're going to want to put like an iron door basically, or whatever you want. You can just have a normal door, but I prefer iron. It looks a bit better. So once you've done that, now you can finish it off a bit so it looks a bit better. Okay, so you put a block here and here and 2 buttons, and once you've done that, you can have your wait a second, let me fix something. Okay, you're going to want to fill in this part here actually. Now you're going to want to put some stairs here, here, here and here, and then get your panes. I would prefer a light blue. Yes. Now, there you go. Now that's basically halfway through. No, most of the way through, actually. Don't mind that. So you're going to put slabs as the whole roof, but no, actually that was a mistake. Oops. So you're going to want to put slabs on the whole entire thing. The rear end, at the rear end and the front end. And we're going to make a little roof section. So then, once you've done that, have 3 blocks down, and then put the colours of the ice creams, all the flavours, and then a stair. Oops, that was a mistake. Put the stair here, and then put a slab here, and then a button, a stone button preferably. Then once you've done that, you're going to want to get inside of the truck. That's why I had the door there, and for decoration. So once you're inside, you're going to get some iron blocks. Put it here, here, and here, like so. Put a button here for, you know, getting back out. And put some slabs here. Oops. Oops. Oh, I'm having some trouble. Oh god, game, you hate me. Yeah, it really hates me. Okay, close quick at that time. Okay, you know, stuff it, I don't care, no one cares. Oh my god. Stuff you under. Okay, so, once you're inside, and it's not lagging, you can get your button, your trap door, a lever, sorry if I didn't have my intro on last video. It was a bit of a mistake. I make a lot of mistakes on this video, on this channel, and I forgot to name it, so I re-uploaded the same video just with the name. So once you've done all that, like so, now you're gonna wanna get some carpet. Actually, don't remove your trapdoors or lever at this part. So you want to get your the colors of carpet that of your flavors. So gonna put white on vanilla and brown on chocolate, and we're just adding some decorations right now. You don't need this part. So once you've done that, if you're willing to continue, put a lever here, make sure it faces up, yes, and then you're going to want to, oh, I got rid of my trapdoors. Okay, here we go. And then, once you've got them, all you have to do is place it here, and then you're done your ice cream truck. This is useful for cities and stuff like that. They're real cool. If you want, you can get rid of this part because it's not like really amazing. You could have like flavors, signs with flavors on them on this side. That's what I usually do. I'll just show you what that looks like. So this is what it looks like when you put signs. You can have an ice cream sign, and then now pointing to the little stop where you can stand. Then you have these flavors: caramel, vanilla, chocolate. It doesn't really make sense to have it on that side, but it does make sense to have it over here. Chocolate. Okay, so, or whatever, you get the picture. I'll just retype that. 3, 2, 1, magic. And it's done. So, I hope you enjoyed that video. That's the ice cream truck, and I'll see you in the next one. Hope you found this useful, and yeah, bye.